From the ladies, Celestine Dunkel, Favor. Go follow you everywhere, Sote. That's right, y'all.
Everywhere.
Brilliant time to 22 minutes to 4. Ewa Dum 106.3 FM. Good afternoon and welcome to your own show. Ophir Kwans on Dum 106.3 FM. For today, Monday, the 14th of December, 2020. Hey, like joke. Bring your bosom in there, Tosso. Do nine. What? 2020 said you're buying or Beko. Or Beko. Head there, Bekanechi. The Odibayo this year. And somewhere see a payo. But you never dare say, I mean, through it all. Yet to say, oh, yeah. 2020, I'm here who say, yeah. BBM Munesi, Timid Yamiase. If you Munina, near Dera Diasipan. Because Yami on the 18 years. I was young, no free cyber copy, say, but when you mean, I didn't know, see, I can't say about 12, so baby, I will be as that come team, you know, Papa Bills African, to Jamestown, J. Cole, and to Prince. Money Abema, Jerry Justice, now what to make carry. Adam. Real quick, your first dama, your proud sponsors, no? Oh, madama, you're trying to say Timmy Draguma, you know what I'm saying? Bell Chapman, and no any the new party sensation in town. Yeah, it's in patch of festive season here, anyway. And then I do for baby fia best round the cake home, and I'll bet top no kaka. A pruto be a baby muno. Se Bell Chapman MP was here, the anachess, a wound him the aircraft. It's about time you add a touch of class to your parties. Yes, our festive season here, anymore. I bet. Or guest in the house, everyone. So to my Bell Chapman, APMO. We a cocktail a day year pa. They are available in 330 and 500 ml bottles. You want a black currant, and you did lemon and lime. I want vitamins. We say chapo. Now they may say very low in sugar. One pack be only 16 bottles. Price also they're cool. 80 months and count there. Our shops are holding in them. Dodo pan. Now our friend Bell Beverages on 055 538 5800 and our face 055 538 5900. Bell Chapman for life's happy moments. Unya enhwe product a ekura obasima seal na me patrol tie na me mbon chimu ene dia bane se AGI and a Ghana Standards Authority akabom no mo introduce the obasima seal where a special sealer ye dey abo food product how do be ho enti next time I be come market no food products na ya okoto no hwe se ewo the obasima seal no ewo ho a se sa seal no ho a it means that sa food products no ewo 18 essential vitamins and minerals yeah no be boa ma ompom de ho sem na timi agina brane pa eye de ma yenuano mo man pa ye na afia busuan yina choose obasima, stay healthy, stay strong. As they do come out Vivo smartphones papa. Yeah, and they just say bibi bia we on mobile phone bia no me papa no yeah they share Vivo smartphones emo a banner camera it create the best a banner long lasting battery it create the best a banner big storage is why it create the best. So switch to Vivo smartphones and get the best out of everything you need in a smartphone. Mount San count there if you phone shops out on ina emo do drop panel Now our friend Johnny Communications on 0244 329 897 and our friend Stranger Phones on 0244 684 642. Vivo smartphones, stunning design, superior quality. His name is Kweku Jesse. Oh, Hini Yesu. Yeah, Baba. Yeah, Baba. Wapkase obi etra wani jeso. Esa yare a wanyanti. If you out team kwa wasitu. Adwuma ya wo ye nka ye very competent pa. But osesa yare we senti. What is wanya bi. Se wo de ne AIDS, se wo de ne HIV ana TB ne de kenka ho. Ano kra me kote ya yesi obi se otimi ni obi nya adwuma because we find out say oye medical so nipa na ya anemic. Ekase. We so ko TV we. Fred Wapcast for na yendi wasema 0302 241 452. And I'll bet me a Fred Waldorf Unis card be fa lawyer. Waldorf for ebe ma probu no lawyer no we di asem na ma 020 262 7084 and after 020 262 7049. Bet me so a fresh ride for 0302 664 785 and after 0302 662 150. Food Lover Special Fragrant Rice. Emo de. Yeah. Emo all the prepare rice meal be a ko ye. Yeah. You can yopo when you're regular or usual rice no. A Food Lover Special Fragrant Rice. Na matititi. If you want my atron fragrance rice, you are fragrance rice. Well, say fragrance will say fragrant too. Nina say too. It's a patch of special long grain rice, Papa Patch. Say it crack the perfect level of perfume. And no any Food Lovers special fragrant rice. Come on, pa. What's this? Some nefili. I feel you're trying to put me down on some names here in front of you. One of my dreams say immune system is stronger. Yare mouse basa. Yare be about system more. Immune system na kasa timi e fight no. Yes. Anything we be here say obenom dominion about powder. Na ma immune system na gina banana. Asan aboa normalize blood pressure, heart and kidney related problems ni na eye fio. Kwa ye dwuma ketua bia na wa breda bia na we di umba bia tutu. Obi won man spine. Wo de eye stroke and diabetes. Dominion about powder. Also ya no pa na wa sa powder no the teaspoon. Now they go so shame. I say ya druka kra no one. And you may repeat the same thing. Them the best baba. You know what I'm saying? They are available herbal shops out only name across the country. The door panel. Angel Dominion about Center Shakwan on Coco. And yes, I'm from 0543 158 195. And now say 020 429 6449. Dominion about powder. Your number one immune booster. Mamifa eye enche mu champagne. Emma eye Community 2 Total Service Station. There were Agri Road, no. Community 2 Total 2 no. There were Agri Road, no. Old Adum FM side, no. Me chechi amuina mo badwuma pa. Super James. And I feel Maxwell, Mr. Service, Papa. I feel Brad Paul. Hi, Paul. Oh, Master Jai. Uja nazu bruta. No pay pound shop up. I'm just a poor bread. Yeah. Easy. I feel Brad Kwame. Sanso and a Charles. AKA Thunder. And I feel Sister Julie. Sister Dorcas. Abba Fancy. Nestina. I feel Bra Majid. Sanso and a Bra Evans. AKA Nanado. Mr. Pentil. Afe Hansen Aminu Super Ina Chichamuina and Afe Manager Julius. Special greetings and Komamuina Tema Community 2 Total Service Station Agri Road Mituche Mamu Bruta. Ugusutia 106.3 Adom FM. Just about 11 more minutes to 4. A happy birthday going out to you, Nana Ama Papebi of Apam. May the Almighty God bless you and protect you as you celebrate your birthday. This one's come from Emmanuel K. Obeng of Achimota. Hey, where the fuel PM power? Birthday dedication, no war off. Some kind knows it. Okay, my Mr. Timfia. Today is my mother's birthday. Her name is Elizabeth Amwa, aka Auntie Ajwa. She is 89 years old today. And all the family wishes her a happy, glorious birthday. May God grant her good health and long life. She is the grandmother of Martina Martinson, formerly of the Multimedia Group. Bradbury, Mrs. Elizabeth Amwa likes you a lot and always listen to your show every blessed day. Her wish is for you to come and pray for her one day. Oh, wow. This is from Juliet Amwa, side 17, on behalf of the whole family. God bless everyone. Thank you. Okay. Sister Julie said they were kind of mepe kwai na mabawai na me sure set me back na me beto momia ubi a wedi 89 there e dan a me so me fini nchen aba na magin hire ni bi, so I would definitely show up. So once again, a happy birthday to Madame Elizabeth Amwa. Enjoy your 89th anniversary. Me patro friend me says here na me no nya adwuma ketua bi me pe wadwen check akra bi 0302 216-561 and I say 0302-216-562. Munya boteka kredi se mu amofra mofi ade na make kan kra munya so mofre. To was ne tie die Mr. Friend. So one also phone lines. Ready. Anyway, so me pesa me no di nkomo bi kakra. Na ye be koto aba no. Ye nyina ye mpa ba ye bo an se abato yi enhwe na nkofo ha bia ama. Some of us were even praying, say, run off beer. Said a bear, Bema Christmas, and ye dear bit me a din ye. And they abandon ya 12 and just here looking at the current situation. Or preparation towards Christmas at the saying. That is what I wanted to share with you. Let me know what preparation towards Christmas at the saying, Joe. Share with me because me anka samuno me nya hu me plan na me resumate me tap into yours. 0302216561 0302216562. Let's do this right now. Make sure that fuck us baby. In the meantime, Airtel Tigo Semen can show say free morning offer Negusu Jaina so den pa. Also an upper 5 and kwa nkosi an upper 10 a.m. Obekasa wo Airtel Tigo phone no so sa free. Entoshi for 6 solid months. There's how you answer Mount Sanka new Airtel Tigo SIM. No one make a transaction with Airtel Tigo money. Would them? Maybe I know what you can register that there. Very simple. There's how you answer. Obe dial star 110 hash. Now I select option 2. Now if was subscriber for the morning offer with as little as 2 cities. Sebe house around or be also bet me a show concern for free. So don't waste time at all. Buy an Airtel Tigo SIM today and get talking. Airtel Tigo money. Life is simple. First call already on the line. Hello, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Aduma. Okay. Preparation towards Christmas at the same.
Oh, no preparation towards to Christmas. Oh, yeah. Penyamia ama afi afi besinge na kabe one week ni kudibu wabro nyane mudia wasebe ta kokobi eto na me pe Wednesday emu bi one just say bro nyade emu fufuwa na ekozo na me pe emu na me wia abi wia na bia me di fufu bi esiso
it just ni ti awatwam no wo de wa de den a akoko bi na emu bi na de Christmas wo be di ba Okay. All right. Mate me das na me sure no adwin pa. All right. So we share Yesu a. Me say so we share Yesu a. The aka no our prophetess Juliana Sapo or the better was one. And one of the atras no I am no more because yes you are you it is Oceana because I use you more why are there next caller. Hello, good afternoon. Hello
Brother,
good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Oi, how you do? Patrick Frosty.
We Doctor men champion ni te wonyano from so
yo where da say Patrick yentie we
yeah brother in Patrick once na come asem no so no mamefa akonya we na fa happy birthday kase pa emfama Mrs Juliana Ayamantinto owushum Downvilla or sign a catkiss that was Prince of Peace shop owushum in the birthday nyamisha bi brefa there unu say Ghana na ye wono the Electoral Commission okasa na wakasa. There's no way say
me patro me nka obi ayi mami you film oye madam for pa but me sro baby said ewi mu no mo fa bi nka o mo e ba be ya mayonsam ne ba na mo be o amonye o de eno cry enough they aka no mo me because I crobun no sao and am be yes some baby why Christmas asem na making me say preparation towards Christmas it's saying Christmas I'm so sorry about this, but I just have to do it. Hello. Yeah, good afternoon.
Afternoon, Jerry.
Me Patrick Frosty.
Yeah, nice very much.
Cantamanto, lane 17, oh baby, oh.
Jerry.
Okay, yet you
me back Emmanuel or say happy birthday in advance because 18th me ban a birthday. Jerry see a choir some so yes yeah we are on nam ne Jerry be di o Cantamanto enye easy Na jalo ni bibin so.
Dabi.
Ba ko so esa o. Wọ́n ṣe mi wálé 2 years yẹn ni. Mo àṣẹ enti we di mi na ṣe bro yẹn ni. Ya
Dabi to was na say na mte. Wo se o wa ye 2 years ni na o mo ase.
Mo àṣẹ
Dabi o twen nyamte baako. Mo ase na o mo ase mi nti ase mi twi ni bi wa o pese o chese.
Mi ṣe oba nu ye fun ki ye se bro nya die.
Eji afre na o benye mo no sa na pese o che. That is. And I say, why didn't I? Me was here. All right, that was great. Hello. Yeah, good afternoon.
Lala.
Sokolala, Bibia Boko. Great. Preparation towards Christmas, let's say.
I feel them coming upon to
no chance say upgrade from Akoko to Aponchon.
Yes, and Aponchon boy dey. I ran them to Omonto bin training hometown on the dinner company. Manaka kan.
Bono wan so aya na price na eye. Eye pa no kra no waka no. Why are there?
Aka say be
eba be dunia asem no. Ebeba, why? Ebeba. Okay. Oh yeah. Now if you are all right, so Kolala that's oh, I say to me, the politics some I mean, we should look at the year 2020 in Nankasa itself. This year brought a lot of issues. And said till now, I mean, forget about party some na Christmas you be the idea. Said I know I say a punch now for and say none what then a call B side or on. Now could do baby no could do for you. They no pa na punching near there. Say Jay so you call a Ubesiana Southern region hey say ye 2 food near punch how I echo. Na enamuna ye toy no Jesus mami tuna mi gusu tuna afeye hufufuo no fufuo na ira na mami na bebe osin say o moto enam 50 ela I want me oh message jai the order aduan de tako ya na yo bejesio chapopa next caller hello
brother.
Good afternoon
brother. Boko dey
na me adomo de achemi kwa
you see jina
great you go anywhere
brother dey let me say my room my punch out to September no to
any adwo wusi mu ache
pre-Christmas
see mu ache
they do bunya na ne boy den kakra ntino o run to us na atesa ya
eno so ye
and you catch the green for it when to on bona you do bro na ni na fede when you 12
efambam fazie ya hot true Epacho the Coca-Cola Bottling Company of Ghana a partner with the Ghana COVID-19 private sector fund. I know a campaign share to me as supported the fight against COVID-19 and the important they say a free celebrate June 2021 every bottle of Coca-Cola now Fanta now Sprite a 1.5 liter bottle now be to be Coca-Cola for Beshe I contribute to 10 pesos at the office to the Ghana COVID-19 private sector fund no says can be used to support amazing initiatives being to say the anti-stigmatization campaign and the construction of additional infectious disease centers and the can be brave now enjoy Coke, Sprite and as a Fanta 1.5 liter bottle no. In so doing now so I contribute to the COVID-19 Ghana COVID-19 private sector fund no. Why I'll be Israel. Yeah, fire next caller. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Patrick Frost and Bemena.
Femi Humble, Mr. Kaza Victor Makumti 1.
Humble.
Yeah.
Okay. What preparation towards Christmas here to say?
Oh, brother, upon China, Diku.
This year, point you back.
Whether you will lose a baby, Brunia. Brother, my man will say, Deborah, Titus Glover, happy birthday, and new birthday.
Okay.
Or Temasai 10.
Great.
Titus, step sister.
Okay.
Into me bizarre God or better mano. And a comma, me boys almost a come to one, you know.
Okay, you are too right. Boys, badu. I go do it. Now, cause never bano. African. Why are you screening the calls and sending me your friends a man kwan as I say because many of baby uncles are so far. I say Christmas is a better MAU because kitchen one African. Hello.
Hello, Bajewi.
What's your friend?
Bajewi, Esther ni.
Me ba Esther.
Pache.
Me ba Esther. I want to say.
Pacho, me na lockdown no. Bibi si me frɛ wo no.
Bibi tu frɛ me.
Pache, ama wada hofo bi bua me no.
Sa.
But who can say we am from me frɛ wo for can say wada fu bi si nko be bua me na maton ade.
Sa. Una African.
Na me down ko bi so me da so me wo chi amepe kwa me ne me ba no po ye ndidi.
So combination. Also on now eden.
Missy obi yamana ye twa me ka me ne me bada uncle.
Na say yes send you sika na ya send o. And later on kwa me anka so me san me send you biem e ka ho.
Ba o fa say wada fu bi say ye wi obama me skanam da ton ade.
Eh enti wo twa madam fu ne de no so. Okay, you matter why. Matter why. Gogu say
so me ka se brunya sem ne
ayu na
bi e kana se
no dia be fa you
ne bra ya o ka dia ma no se mu be wura mu ne ade
ayu
we brunya
ayu ma na de
we na de
o ka sa ni trio
na
me se me pro ba no ba ba mu su na
e cha sa man ka sin so ba
and Beyonce
ready.
Oh my goodness. Anyways, it is true. We supported her after the initial contribution here. The man later on. Messiah cry say one sign MPBB can because of the situation. But like I said, somebody called from was it the state or the UK? And so after that, Robert tried to send us something. And from a non-fan started trade B or something. So I think I communicated that to her. But Unipa Kono no maintaining and say Kadaya Bumi. Nyamene. Why? Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Graduate.
Miniaba, it's say.
Pache, na unse.
Nyamia do miss me where pa. Now your friend say.
Pache me the beaches, make a safety come to 7.
Okay, sister be 8 way.
Bring away the spring roll and airport.
Spring roll na mo be di Christmas no.
Come to 7 yes spring roll. Ya person better see be my.
Okay, yo, ya te why? Spring Rose Christmas. Yeah. Things just got peckier with the new Peck Choco. It is tastier, crunchier, and worth every bite. With just the right blend of milk and chocolate for every chocolate lover. You've got to try it today. Go out there and grab a pack now. Peck up your day with Peck Choco and on their crop. Me for last 2 calls. Hello, good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
What your friend say?
Brother, Kwesi taxi driver, Princess Road.
Kwesi, wouldn't say Timishia, so Timishia.
So now so be me so my share with you.
Kwesi taxi driver. Just say, "O voice no cry, you me person me meet you na pressure." Kwesi unim. Ene ide unya kasa wie pe on. Me hang up why? O kasa wie a gina so na African no be kasa ho na e fa number e ma no. Eti me point adwuma me fro say metimi no hia pa Kwesi. Why?
You my.
Into the extra me o Christmas you so o preparation towards it to say.
Yeah, dynamics is a team come because about to a 2 years. And Yama Aquayen so and penny for the Nama saying, Koye Chibia, yes, throw media. No me person because I some way now to me now, Quenya, my friends, I mean to me, Fred. Almighty America, Oma to a baby, Omunko for Ko Mua baby down. Omo da Sudomu fear, yeah, the pavement is yes, throw. Mom pamuye fan koshe muremubiu na warning one satire into omuma bibia nya boko na yen hwa brabo no so niembo de aka enimu na doso
ebe yi nyamete asai
enti enu pani mi hawa me de me ye we me pese me ka. All
right, oh yeah. Eti janso na oni African kasa we chiro why
you me that
I like his voice. This one on Instagram, I'll say, hello, Brad Jerry. I'll be very grateful if you could wish my... There was mama, but say no, because my BB number. Okay, so Christiana Owusu of Ghana Prison Service headquarters. Okay. And then happy birthday and come on, Christiana Owusu of Ghana Prison Service headquarters. A.B. Gatti. Also, I wish you happy birthday. And they MTN, Mombo no. Who Nisubi now pesa obaswa. Self-activation bit me abwana wa de and ya fe na call a vendor biwa na call MTN shop be as a yambo na ya activity ma. It's you phone number *170# for MTN Momo. Now I select a 4-digit PIN number. Then you re-enter that same number no, just to confirm it. After this, you'll be receiving message I confirm your activation. No? But in an unlikely event, says some message no no about contacting in various digital platforms no, channels no, and now where you see my MTN app no for further assistance. Neka nations say let me link your bank account no to your Momo wallet to make life even more easy. MTN Momo and your fastest, secure, and most convenient way to transact business today. Terms and conditions apply. Just Momo it everywhere you go. We did for you everywhere you go. You're for a last caller. Hello, good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, brother.
Yeah, good afternoon, Bossu.
Afternoon, Bossu.
Patrick Frost saying.
Tete.
Zaya. Okay, Tete Zaya, you deal with. Oh, preparation towards Christmas, Tete Zaya.
Oh, well, fine. You know, but you don't have to my sister Bago. Your friend, I can't buy for shower or if you go. Now, son of free UK buy. See me the radius mano. If you are showing your meaning, say, you may be near the Christmas. Let me tell you.
Oh, sure, also, pa. I am Paul. What was that crowd? Was it last? No, I think it was just yesterday. Yes, Saturday. Yesterday. Menamwa. I'm say it was after church or something. I'm a coffee. And now my sister frame me. My sister Penny. Or say oni nukunu. Omo nam kwan so omo kukumase. No more approachy Asankare area how baby no. Omo anim pe. Bus bi ahwe form accident. Ne nipa omo prepare police in bar fire form but obi amba omo no ko pie so. Na omo boa to get them out from the bus na kofo prepare na did them. So she called me no catch me say minim radio stations near war presenters ni bi a war and kokko ne konongo area ho na men kan no announce for police to come ne fire for no bra no mbeboa a prayer for. And I'm saying, I'm okay there. So, yes, all the bat from no man. You see, sometimes, and you say, ABR, one way special now, be con wabao. Said the a prophetess Juliana Sapon, a crown, you know. A queen and Crawford Cotiash was no would there be a court no waba, no waba. Shemoto way. I saw some baby. Radi dietra da. As I say, ultimate de radias. So what I say. Africa, some guys say winner. Beyonce Abazo. Yo, Beyonce. No size. Victoria Esiama Abrokwa. It is a.
I don't any experience.
Share. Okay, Vic. Christmas preparation to say.
Oh, the preparation is saying. The comment also me share once. Oba na me ku akukwa ma. Na ma no fufuo versus katenkwan. Ne akukwa ne aponche. Oni African. Ni na mo pa. Me ya bibia mamo.
Enti where you know ye bedi ni nan. Very. And I just how me dey James Audio ko kan wo na ye dimi ni.
You're 24.
Okay. You, Martin. Yeah, that's Nyamisha, why?
Now who probably be?
Mefro, why?
Who probably I interview?
Mefro, why?
Oh, probably true.
Set last one friend, only make us say some catch you. Mefro, why?
I'm friend.
I'm Mefro, why? I'm Mefro, why?
It's your very terrible.
You, Martin. Big.
That's fine.
Now we are here. It is a West Yes. Doctor, we are pressing us. Sunny Nipedia. It is a West Yes. Lawyer. You may be out with your with Kunima West Yes. Yes,
me for special greetings, Emma, Dr. William Odro, yes, of Atlanta, Georgia. Sabi de Doc Alan de Ghana. Yedenya miasi so do ababidu asumdwemu. Yamo akwaba, special welcome back home, Doc. Fantastic doctor, Dr. Drew. Doc me na enyumre mabo ahomom na fi. Mashe time no na matimi abafi na bibia ni aha akwaba Musuti Adon 106.3 FM, Ghana's #1 radio station. And of course, this is your own show, Fie Kwan So Adon. Yeah. Yaba sha sem wadi tu on fo na ewie quickly na ya fi the ediso ba no aye irrigated sports. Now mame fa enwumi mra from na menka asem ncho enkomo no emu ode Sandy Asie do taste group. I say, hey, I love this girl. I go do shopping for her from Yankee. And your mahonya. And then me am the kwa komano wasama kesi. Wa kan o die o. Unim na wan ya shopping na ma. Wasuba yeshia. Anyways, so enkomo I want to say during the lockdown period omaimu COVID-19 man home so ne ade na obekaya edumakuo ba ko obo Ghana for pa special man for waterma and crying parts of a kaswa muti ya omono delivery bani nrua na ye dia bro it is all waterma na cry na kaswa potem no ye de brewa na flat rate yankasa hawo kwan no wan tu betua se obetua na da fon boko kra utimi say nanka adna kwa akoye almost free kra ne de wadu abro enei de muti di aba no emu ye pa o say December na abai na edian ya Christmas nso ete kona ha ya na se de na enyim no krom ebe menyemenya nipa do na na beba krom etie basa e de traffic ene beba imagine say o maami bi o papa bi o wofa bi o sewa bi o yiri bi ukru bi ana wo ba ana wo nua bi enwo akwadwam na duru ada wofa no aduro na asa na wo kokrom akoto aduro bi aba na traffic you waka traffic mu ono so etwa age aduro nanom ebe ha adwen ne santi enei de mutifo ede ba no se de yen ma aduro eye very affordable na eye of the highest quality no de yes I am on say ye deliver what drone no dia bro baby a wo bia de ubi yan so be friend and now be sending a WhatsApp message na ya give details no ne hu location no near de drone na bro e wo baby a wo no na ye free delivery throughout December bosumi mu. Very simple. A two friend and now sending a WhatsApp prescription on me a dro ko abehia na muti ye yi sa dro no pepepe na ye de ama okada ye wo de ya sheda na special one delivery one pa na de sim moto de on one road traffic na nam finfin sa ton sa wo fi o santan na de dro na broboko na won setimi aka ne ntem na one car traffic na one mo dro no enyankwa very 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 simple. It will ye deliver their bro free within Accra, Tema, and some parts of Kaswa. So whether it is for yourself or any of your family members or friends, but more than also be free muti, it was 055-813-4375, and I'll be sending a WhatsApp on 0248-410-050. Numbers nibium. So be fra, and no 055-813-4375, and I'll be sending WhatsApp on 0248-410-050. Not just say ya twaso I don't know. Na ya deliver a undru na any health product I do na kanina direct from Muti near their bro. Free delivery cry. If I show open further details wait me our friend numbers yambo we be a bemon. Yes, I call mymuti.mfarmer.com. That is mymuti.mfarma.com. What I say, na intro bibia pacho sa special offer we a valid if you celebrate Yakopim the 31st of December 2020. Hashtag in good health. Hashtag multi-cares. That's what it is. Abusu ababa share. Asemo edit you onfo. Na fiere de aka to aso. Enko ba bia.
Usiana manamo. So we see from pa. Kai mama dwedi asema waka wonwum tuem se. Na my do. Yes from. Da. Se usia yesu. Aya manamo. Usia yesu. Aya manamo. Se usia yesu. Aya manamo.
All right, I feel you trust some way to you for a way. Now you to us on him. Okay, so and I ask someone I did to your home phone. I would you made so no. What Professor Masem say? Surround yourself with people who remind you that you matter and support you in ways that matter most to you. Also, surround yourself with people who remind you that you matter and support you in ways that matter most to you. What I say? Krofo a wonyom ebehwia bom no. Omo a wonyom ebeto kese. Enkrofo a wonyom ebetu agina. Omo abrabo yi wodo ho be bomb enyomo anante atu anamo no esese wo hu se sa nkrofo ne nkrofo a wo mo no ekai wo ma hu ana omo ne ye nyina dead ma hu se sebe wasem eyomo asem na odadwen eyomo dadwen sa nkrofo na ese ono nante. Now there's something at the latter part I honor me my attention wopa or say and support you in ways that matter most to you. There are people ubetimi enyom abrabo mu anyom nam omo wa adwempa, they have good intentions, omo e wa adwempa fa ho wodo omo akoma so omo nyae ananka wadi ye, but the last part hana e wo mu no support you in ways that matter most to you. Sometimes those people, no, though they have good intentions about you, but are there a matter most to you? Usually they ignore that. Now it's almost there now, no more sha. Unzo a branch away a menina fadam for a year. Oh, this is the benefit I met me and yaw no. And to do who say or show BBL to you say or pewasem. But it is because of something he or she is getting from you. It is because of idea bi obetimi I rely on you to achieve inti, but enye de won so no obetimi aboa ama wa achieve ene enka woni obi akra nkaye safo no na wan hwe yi a also this person there or me ho adwempo obetimi aboa me obetimi no nipa ko na tu anamo 20 years afo be bisa ho say what have I gotten from this person and mo ben kra na manya fisa onipa yi yo behwe na nail enti we obi ntimi hunu aka kyerɛw just a one kasa one is ultimate yes assessment no now she say group of people are me form say me nan fofo amenium enante no omusuban to say me fan nan fofo basa yes me I'm saying it me won nan fofo pa and sometimes ebinim ho no mo a because they know the relationship between many omo ne ade no they also claim so omo ye madamfo like me many omo ye yipa but me won limit mo bia me wadamfo bia ne ade amene ne ye what you say madamfo bi won mo metimi adi nachi 2.8 but madamfo foforo bi so ono so ye madamfo po ono so kasa mene nko point A wa me nko yes ena madamfo bi wo no mo a metimi adi nachi ena ko point kill. But some are down for corona, me dinner chico point kill or catch them say, min dinner chimianco point see, I make us a menko. Because minimo bia any day, obetimia ye dia bois make koku abrabum, and a mini madame Fubian so you no a power mention as a sort to me, yes, sir, assessment no one casa would hear me anyway. You need to know the category of friends. The people you relate to, you need to know all these things. So one who said you ya ubetimi dinkrofobia assuming say they have you at heart and you matter to them. They will be willing to support you or help you. But they are showing that thing to you. But they are looking at theirs only and not yours. And to bet me only pakuna nantia for 1,000 years. African, she ain't free muma. What I say? Because baby a matter most to you, no. Only pakuna no there and can I drink on cry. Until I make us me focus no this afternoon. The latter part of this message that I'm sharing with you. Or say surround yourself with people who remind you that you matter and support you in ways that matter most to you. So if there's that kind of show it doesn't matter to you that much there. Abusia, you need to have a second look at it. We obintimi nyama aje wankasa. So enafufo na oni omonam no, you know them. What I say, me so me ni me nafufo. Ena me de me dia emfa to ama no. Me wonafufo bebre, me nafufo a me wo. I can't count them. Bebre, but me dear many obia ye. Dear many madam for A be no many madam for B and ye. Dear many madam for C be many madam for D and ye. That is how we say no. Na one who onwa onyon behwe abomu ye a on betimi aboa e wa brabo emu. asempa yitia mame fa si here ya na yemfa diso said a medical catchon one kasa say obrana obono and the people around you na wahwe mu ye na hu se saafo no enkrofo a constantly remind you who say yes you matter. And then those people also know they support you in ways that matter most to you. Also. Why? Na betimi abo aye pa. MTN ye don wan say. O say self activation na ekro. And to the omu say nyafe na akọ MTN office bi na akọ catch vendor bi say or activating Momo ema. Wow, phone fa na wabo *170# for MTN Momo. Na fe wa select a 4-digit PIN number. Then you re-enter that number to confirm it. After this, you will receive a message confirming your activation. But note this, in an unlikely event, just our message, make sure you contact our various digital channels or be use my MTN app for further assistance. And please take note, say, with me, I'll link your bank account to your Momo wallet to make life even more easy. MTN Momo is your fastest, secure, and most convenient way to transact business today. Terms and conditions apply. Just Momo it everywhere you go. Memory rent free. Say we did for you everywhere you go. Afe as they do farmer mom's recipe sunflower oil. Sunflower oil the na ejitum say eye the papa pa. Ne momu no de eye correct one pa obi agi atum no. And the mom's recipe sunflower oil. Yes. A man cooking here very easy and delightful. You love to go to the kitchen and prepare something. What I say? Say be now we do now prepare bed there. Now be say nyam pumudeno. Say yes stew be now wrong. She to be now prepare na jollof bino. Patro mom's recipe sunflower oil. Fair no ye bibia. Nebeko ye e dia ma. E meduan here very delicious. Come pa. Na e tasting so. Ya on the sizes be na ti di obotom beso so no. Na wato akusi kitchen ho. Na wa running kakra. Mom's recipe sunflower oil. A taste of goodness. Available at shops, stores, and supermarkets. How do you know? The door panel phrase 020-154-3938. 020-154-3938. The door be on Yebiano Sabeka. Now, as they do on Encoma Time Herbal Center. Or say, we a simple entity for the treatment of malaria fever. There's all nominal. A time herbal mixture. A what now what the whole efi malaria are no. Now fin so no. When you want to mini di nipedue mu ya ne mu na yo ya nna so no. To etwa. And I fake and G about capsules no. For general well-being. A boama ho esisi ho so yie pa. Ni na ya available. Herbal shops do na Moko Kings Walk Herbal, Repatch Ventures, Rich Jones. And a Zidos Herbal, Nina or Kanshi Drug Lane, a fee. A Shaman phone call, Echoes Pharmacy, Bioclass, Larry na fee with Dama, and a Kaswa phone call Tribal Judah, more wager and import terminal, Pharma Trust, our wager junction. And yes, our phrase 0244-417-669. Now, the do beer when you biano. Yeah, the best summon. Come on. Na bibianso etimi akoye ediamao. Also ti adom 106.3 FM. Ghana's #1 radio station.
Ophir Kwanslo, with the man Jerry Justice on a 106.3
Coming up, AI Gator Sports. Emmanuel Shen. E.E Fashion. Tema Newtown. I say good afternoon, bro. Wonderful message. God bless you. Hey, Jerry Justice here. Me more do you want from? Mary mix.
Oh, Baba, I want you nada. And so send a video from the Sarah. Baby, I've been gossiping my papa. Me check, promise, and
Daniel Kofi Saltman on Facebook say true talk. Pa, bra Jerry. Okay. I say, oh, I love this advice, pa. God bless you. Mary Amaya also on Facebook says, thank you for your advice this morning. I just say, baby, it's very deep. And I've learned a lot. God bless you. And the... Are you replying someone? Okay. Oh, so okay, that is nice. I don't know what he's talking about, yo. Machiavelli, the Dawn. I say, I do my FM no side. I feel Dora Dede. I say, Braje. Vic again, Vic, why are there? Oh, say, I love her. I love the way she talks. Even if I'm sad, she makes my day. She makes me laugh. Okay, that's nice. I won't believe me, cry me penta. Let's do all that. We'll be passing. I'm more blessed. I was watching you live in China. Hey, check watching for ni hao. Hey, check shamunya. And Daniel Sintim Abuaje. I want to say greetings from Hamburg, Germany, and God bless you as well. Samuel Ofori. And so I send in the Osebra Jerry and Samuel Unzuni. Ajoado say thanks for your advice, my dear. Thanks for listening. If you see my baby. Shake it. Abusia Bernard so say room na the Irrigated Sports to us well. Please, Irrigated Sports. A perfect program, perfect engaging, and perfect unexpected. Irrigated Sports. Papa. So listen to Irrigated Stop. You grow old and you die old. Thank you. Thank you too. What is your name? Your name.
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Okay. Now, order for us, your friends, eh?
Order for me, didn't this Sissy Chum? Now, they be Irrigated Sports. There's no day minty Irrigated because me tia manage. Now, I'm stressed.
Nice man. Thank you. Over.
Okay. Program one. Denisham. Fast Sports one. T Irrigated Sports. Wadum 106.3 FM. The famous John.
Good. Kwame Akwaba. Na empuru mutu saying. Ebeyi. Yeah, fine. Oh, if you go. No one day for you be fine. So you pa crown your papa power won to meet me. Oh yeah. Say no wo jimi me hwe rasta no say kwakuru say na etik sal madam ba enkume no de abre mi nia we de on kai na makai on ka adwum asemi maye ayi akwa na oya de jeko wo sa video no ho video na akwarenti adens na say akwaro e to point exercise no me pacho sign remind the tiefo biem enti tiefo monko YouTube no so na mo san ko Facebook no so na mo hwe sa video no na me so me de me de no be ma o de me so me ye no me de magic ko sisi a na omon compare no mo hu say because the other day na me point I me making say the guy was just having a good time. Yes, because at the end of in the first place, sa machine, sa workers na international. Who do go to do the sisi so? I say obi ekita bicycle, not other bicycle. Not that bicycle. But enti de na guy ne ya say atopan exercise no ye no enye sa de ne ye ma eboama oyam so atia say wa do me no
agwa no na tue ne TV
yes it do the akwa say the open no ye it do the fasa video no to na amanfo na memfa de me so me ye o gym no ento na fi amanfo hwe se de ade ne tiankasa na fi mesan kuratwa instructions na e wo machine no ni na akwa ka ho na wo de account na fi ya hwe se de eno so eti na omohu se de na ye kan esa
ekofom kwaku se efukase e
problem na me de ekura nya ndu ba bia
e problem kase o
hwe me start ye no 2 weeks new enso chese improvement chese e match se de
se me Saturday na me ko yes to makakra
e match se de me hwehwe no
me blue skies keep fit for no ko yes to makakra kwaku me ho me crazy so
fene
me mfinya
enye easy
but I think say going forward na say ye ne
easy
once a week exercise
o de ato okay enti Jeko de video na to akwane de first one enti mo hwa do say de na akwane ye no na fe me de na me ye no so no Jeko eguso na kwa so ba ho ti ba pe na o de no ato so any instructions ni nya ya cha kware ati famboni awa yo egu ade so
ama exercise ko na e bia na o e weekend o match from
ti o ye ni ti so ni ye
anyi na ba ti za o ma
ene asa ugreyi aba wa eti amumra Facebook no so na mo twa se de akwa ne ro ade no na fi yewia media no so Jeko de no so beto na mo ahwe no na mo hu se sa pepe era ade no eti na kwande na obwa papa era oyesa wende anyway so Jeko aba why media send na error no so wrong we kakra wrong media na omo hwe original me fan chama Mrs Abna Pukua Mrs Dibs aka Abna Pukua owo Faroe Island ewo Europe na say weekend is on Cove Town because Abeku Santana e papa yi na me say if you are so in them okra no obi obi no bo ade we oba and I'm na we of course here to our house ya kwa Abeku e 2 streets na me on na boys cd on bo round on Abeku say mo okra na kwa me oba ade na mo dey tete ba bia no ko bia say baby am for bia so ba dey di wachi ana say eti we dey wa kan ye nan kofo ase o manfo e ba kofo bia be support inu abema Abeku Santana in fact omo ye me ye fe omo ye me ye fe je say enipa e ba e be ja no ma ye ni papa yi na swani from the church to the funeral grounds and that Charlie and obi amafo ba me ye fe pa se na me hwe mu ane anti no Abeku Santana ye da mu na se say family ma come fight obi da ma se what range send papa the guy oda mu na se pa study time oda mu na se mama na yi no ye ka
She don't sit on it. You can read the instructions there.
Practice more wrong. What is it? On the no easy keke.
And the friend by that time I will say and number is phone one fantastic person. I am one was minim de ntia MP before eje omani a omode okada nyomo no eje omani sa ade no okada abanoma nto amama hama na manya mo party
it has always been like that too. It has always been like people do that too.
But that song is the most the sweetest campaign song I before say this year buy
ede
kagunyume
ede Otimi kaka we was a Latin one count was a deal. Nazi you touch you.
Nazi very stubborn.
Nazi you touch.
Kwakuna where the trade am pardon abrewa ayipuma kwamu. Ama Accra House of Folk. Ya tende. I won't say you will win, you will why from full win. You will win papa and so ewo. And no I see Dreams FC. E chom pore mi ensa. Omantimi anti emu adabraka enti tim na ye yie no eye yie ba de yie nyina no se ye bebo mpaye na me catch players no se omo tiri mu nya omo de se omo hwe kwaku obroni ni ba ye na se ti ha na o baba nanum na me se da bi kwaku me de benim se obroni kura no a wabodam no otumi ye balum ye wuri bronya obroni na adwan se kura okwa broche balu ni no count nya no abrofo wa salam na ye
o da be na ko hu se yom no sa na ya mo ka no da be na ko hu se obroni a na adwan nye no ye sa
otumi ye balu e be na mi bu
oh ja
anya no obroni be ye balu ma so kwaku ye start league ye win one match the first win and then 1-0 win 3-0 eti no afa what obroni asema make kan make say before coach nye o because kwaku say what ma say ba
one year sure say ye free bibi in terms aya unu
training in terms
oh there
kwaku three coach odu very fantastic any problem but you see variety is a spice of life Rafuni ye
ai no ana waka
ati de bi na niam nkoyia kwaku say wo what you say they sit back and watch the thing and they know what they are doing. It's young supporters there. Yeah, they say, I say, go if you now day about coffee, that and percent of worry way. Papa one pa, that is said that Tawachi, and you now have crown, no one boom. When you on your banana, Kwaku, and yes, here to do for coffee.
Yeah.
And TV never been sent for now. Togo Scout as a club ni wa, or a club ni bigu.
There be.
Obi no per club ni
no bear such investment.
What you say? Obi no per club ni here, SA club ni penny for. It supporters yenya abotre. Na papa ya wabai. Our benya train ni win am I. Okay. Yan koso ni ye obi an from one. Kwaku ye krum wa ye mpeska tua. Timuzu ye diska na ye. Now no many people din komo komo dey say do sika kaka no mtua no yin kura no chapters na say kura na manfo entua
ade tia
say so ye nhwe ball
enti no muntua no
na make say so mutua as say mpani fo kura fa kwan bi so a ye betima ye ye niam bi a say o mu a call bi kura no ne telecoach fo be ye na ye course na say house of folk for wa pen we register bi a we call ye 10% bi nyama sa ne manyama ni abia
yeah
say team ni wo sika ye betima to players papa ya Brazil players
Enya
Brazil.
Cheza kwaku ni enti no. Ye wo ye ni.
Agama lizard ya ote dem o mo ball.
Yo.
Enya agama lizard. Yo. Ote dem o mo football.
Yo. Why are there? Why?
Agama lizard di ba o mo yo. Ko fo agama lizard di ba o fo ne nan ka mo. Kunu se capital town.
Capital. Oba Kofodia o.
Perfume ni t-shirt ti o ba ko se da metene.
Ovi abroche bedu ya no ba yi o Kofodia.
So ya tu anim ni yo ko no ba ko pe. No the perfume wa to. Wa wie me.
Just obey on your mamre dia on.
No mamre.
Za, ana what do Kofodia ba yi.
Ya edge the samba. Atias 40 ase. One atias for.
Oh, Capito. Capito akwaba.
Yeah,
akwaba.
Yeah, fine.
Oh, na mi say oni kwa me awie yo na. Say was onu na awie na.
Oh, I did just dey mu na nam.
Imba Saturday le.
Oh.
Imba
Capito twen. Etu ko tra America dabi kwa friends Capito twen. Sa enkran yare foi na wo kan hansa na wo kwa America. Tu ko tra America sa ba hansa be kasa enkran. O ba mi ni ye.
Imba Saturday le. Airport le
straight to Kofodia.
Kofodia. Eba Kofodia back.
Omeka for tie wo.
Incha no mo.
Incha kwame.
Tie wo.
Ile wo.
So kama wo so wo.
Eba pick. Oh no.
Over nenu. Already is. Anyways, enya Capito nkwan nam na on the squad ene nam na meji de yene na wa ha na o se se
Oh boy boje di.
Enti meji so wa na na dia kan de Capito de be introduction aka no. Enti meji.
Yes.
Akwaba.
Asi ofajere.
Say ohun ye pa.
Nyame adum.
Ahun fe no so me.
Say o hairstyle no.
E bia be kan mo pa. O so de no so ebu ye pa.
Hairstyle di.
Za.
Hey, ofajere.
E dey say kotoko fa fa na.
Ale.
Na pese me hu because ni we say so pese o blast out. So pese o
Kotoko for hairstyle wa no. Bless hairstyle.
Na has do you ask team obi anu anu tie say.
O musika so.
Oh jaza.
Asisika so.
Capito. Say ya man meji but they can this introduction is on be na afie to aso.
Meji ye to aso ya na.
Okay. Meji na yen to aso. Okay, any meji to aso.
Okay, so so I should continue from Capito de sa oni na ewie.
Say Capito de on the
see anu. Ye ni Dundee. O maba wo fie wo. Ye fie for na ye stranger. E wo ye mu. See ye ni Dundee de otunyum but horrible name say not otunyum but still I think he still sings. Papa Bill so ejai. But Sisiano, he's the executive board chair for Ghana Music Awards USA.
Oh, okay.
And in common to Nayanam. Hey, my tree has come back.
But what come up? The Ghana Music Awards US. USA and commona modena mnyeza. Na koseng. Say nanu day em say omo ye ba bi ana nanu ada mi say omo je bi ni ade a eti Capito boy nkoma akrai na so de wo ho na ha
Ghana for America yi
yeah
say omo so omo pese omo hu musicians no omo pese omo hu say Ghana musicians America omo so ye musicians no omo ti omo nka ene ade enti no awards no Dundee any dance music production and now mo kabo mo say some pages are BBC they recognize Ghana artists omo America omo boy America for artists will hope out Ghana for the brave omo gum just omo twetwa gum
palago mu fasa
mo any cake am enti ya bubo swana say o say Mobia award ni bi no bia so nya ne de ne ade a nti and ya kowie first year de ya kowie last year covid no mo
just this year August yeah
you see next year
about this year ya
oh you see
Dabi yanko ba kunu
yankom
Dabi akaka kra bi
me see you do that
and now 14
and then this year yeah check cry say 3 months ago and a clear few it is saying next year they no so beba I don't know kwame ne you mu nyina say mo ba
next year and that is
ya me sunti
Ghana Music Awards
ujram
okay don you no na bibia shanisa
and don ya mo akwaba na ya san so damasen so say mo small tikisa initiative we say be na aja ye nuanu mo wodon wa no so no so betimi ehunu de ekona fi wo so wo so ye music no so betimi appreciate your works no ne ade anti no mo yire mo hunti yeso ye de wa ha efie ni fie ti bibia ni a moto en kran so beta achie ni apia na bibia so atimi akoye nti ye mamo akaba
no she said Jerry answer question na kwa bibisa
that question abrochi form pe kra
na mem pe kra
ko na be
o man wo dia ana oni jo mama na ejuma
na bi se pese bi hu ma hu se na me na se me
enya abako na be
obo ija oni
abako ye wa kwa so ko kroma sa o ko kwa wa wi se na be na be ko I get one time be kwa kra
Capito Felix Bell so me nsha o ma no
yes Felix Bell
Katadua
Felix Bell
but so Katawa so president because
oko yen no
sorry
I didn't say you have a farmer no wa America farmer na wa sa mani
me you know ubutu one why dina oh yo ne ma
no make see America for mo house of Ghana ho ama obozo acha
I say oh Charlie
send message by radio so because Ghana down ma kuma so I'm saying mo mo ntene if you love Ghana that much come and stay
say no yes how do
no what's going to happen is that we have a press engagement just this Thursday at the new complex of the Accra Metropolitan Assembly.
Just by the that place is nice.
Yes, and so, but it's strictly by invitation. It's just to engage members of the press, you know, on the way forward. Into first one, what's the next move? Time ben nominees announcement. Then see what first one because COVID-19 it was virtual. Into yes, both Ghana and it's only those more US. Baby, more US. It's not you have two borders. More US they had the opportunity to be in an auditorium. But Ghana and we couldn't go, so we had a virtual award here. So it was taken together and here in Ghana, USA. So we want to show all those who didn't see it what we did and then introduce them officially again to the award scheme and then tell you about our lineup for the year ahead. See, on Thursday, in the way they Mima official invitation, Jerry, I'm going to call you. Sooner of Mefro. You're another big boss that a lot of people out there will want to see. So on Thursday at 6 p.m. you better expect to say you will join us for the engagement and conversation so that we get to hear from you and you hear from us also at 6 p.m. on Thursday, which is the 16th. 16th at the new complex of AMA.
No, and 14th. So will be 17th. Thursday will be 17th. Yeah.
Thursday 17th. Okay.
All right. Aye. Oh, yeah. We're in a hurry, okay. All right. And then you better massipa. Until you may do my Thursday. All right, but Capito, to what's it?
That story is no.
There be first story and say, only my guy to say, Montam to say,
oh, yes, I said, my finish. Oh, my bedano. I say,
we are sure. Oh, because it looks as if could do for your cross and nose. Catches Margaret. What's your Facebook comment? Obia Castle, Charlie, Margaret Bow or Bow.
Me drew from Hano, Johnny Cosunai. I said, Masama, oh, Abagana. I said, Masama, Tuano, Sunano. Not many real son of because it tell on my yam was it is may yell them. Not me drew yana, me call me your tenor. No, so tis Wabana with Johnny.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Me first, Obisu Huno. It's Monsieur on the Tenema, Obusu Manican, and Chipia. Montumo. Evidence of Kutamina, and in Yamama could say, Obaha, J. Mayho. I'm up for what I'm doing now, but
okay, sometimes buy another. Or did you feel like you on the crying?
But as I said, Kutiame, who classes who come
from the beginning, no me know who says, or the Adele Babe. Oh, yes, and you know, Miss Man, feel I didn't know. Me didn't know, man. Me this I feel now, man, or we are peros. Jerry. I want me that's a Capito, my real cry. And I'm so, sir, now I know I'm going to say that as I didn't see you.
Yes, my man, cry by says my goodness, Kaka. So, Mammy Fifi anymore in my country. Yes, my man, I'm calling when I'm saying, no, may in a restaurant, chop on
restaurant.
Yeah, already. Remember, send me beam. I'm a message boutique, Mano. So, Tony, I want to message boutique. And now, or the Roma Grandma.
Yanuda.
Sorry, Nasa. Oh, and also soon in Quasamba, Sikano de Mamma. But lie, I'll be this so. And some was your free play with Josado. Oh, my son was so good, you so grow. Also, the line because the other coach of humans. Who be the line to tinty, as if form you are so feeling. From no one country, Ubedru Chrome IS or so telephone. What the line so our ben okay Drew.
Yes, form no way.
One fella just also a cock telephone but I be the line.
Yeah.
Now when we now was a piano, yes, you have a check temperature. No what the temperature line so yeah, no. What's up here? Got try immigration on. Yes, China Sanji COVID results answer. Now, but when the pie go on. Nipa Baku out, you know, Yana be so me, Baba direct say, oh, would you Uba line is this so?
Miss Nan one, but Jenny Pandugum, me
Miss you ever do her and time I do it almost 4 hours at the airport. So Piedmont.
Yeah, days ago, because pick you, meaning at the same.
No, play with ya. What play was 9 hours, 60 hours. Now, I do come out beyond 4 hours.
6. Yeah.
I'm a bit 4 hours.
So, like, you can put me in and out. Yes, you buy
that one make phobia. A bus, and I'm it's me sign if you and I'm saying call back to the car park. And I call soil condition. I'm a dog car. Me the car because
full sleep.
Sir, tickets lady room. Sir, oh,
that be
after 15 minutes.
And so we can in terms of now all the question when why are ready to leave now and I walk out
to this now because no more doors. I put no and I'll say or the number one or the young kakra. The 15-20 minutes. Yeah, we could look at our queen.
Uncle, Alpha.
Would you have some work? But I mean, the minimum of any contact was a master. Would you have by time? But I'm saying, oh, check a cow. Oh, I just don't come from a family check. I was in fire and call him anymore.
So we are ready. Why will be the area? I will say you are good to go. Then you go and pay. So I say, and one thing is room na no ebi odi pa kuzo ebi ade akoye kro wanya ya na wen gina ho ampake kra wo say pie na adua no when there attention be to you but I attention is don't know
what happened to me no nipa be brain
so you're in your mind don't person pan be train and so na wakoti
exactly
and almost the reason why omo ye ne sa ne say so omo anye sa obi owura mu na no obetimi akotua na still ogusu apake o sa spend more time
so what I don't have a problem with it but na me nim no kwani and then first time I mean who say 15 minutes no it doesn't work
and I say so be who chauffeur twipa because the way on here na be say e was nipa nim pie no my ready e gira ho no we be who chauffeur tell say me talk imam
ope Uber bi man na
limo tenten no
car me there why there be say wo drive so obi why driver ya o drive obi go for obi now
now
na so the one out you wo dey na sell drive now you
obi atima so fair because I'm cars and yellow.
Yeah.
I say no serious answer.
Yes.
Now be so fair.
Yeah.
America for them bro.
That is a French word.
And yeah, America for there. Will be used to be.
Don't go friends to Coroma because come with your news.
But I'm not the language na kasa sana kwa kwa. Wouldn't say your language be on more. Obekoshe origin no. Maybe are not French. And so French for na kasa so kasa cross we do our no mo fan kan mo kasa.
We can tell you so fair. Kwaku and quickly no me run you through a scholar no. Come on say protocol nya win now so I fanfu nya win more there.
There be win there win. When the panel win now we win. What is this fanfu win?
Oh 1-0.
Now 1-0 Capital 1-0 on find you 3 points. Maza, what are you talking about?
I want to say you do baby it because it goes against any goes for.
Yes.
It goes the who here.
That should be an obenya more.
Fuck you 3-0.
Hey. Hasia. And they hasi.
Say dem bro ni o.
Hey. Hasia ye.
Oboni mo tuo mu about Kenny Johnson say be mama. It's oba in the first match.
3-0.
To put in the ontra.
When you bonus score line.
Kwa again stars so ball 1-1 on 11 wonders. And I had go.
Na has mo 3-0 win na mo ne wan.
Dreams FC ni team ketwa.
And I kotoko no ne wan.
Kotoko the team Lagos Cities. Obi e hye ni bi.
Lagos Cities e team for.
Na some kwa the mekan later.
Asamoja.
Okay.
Enya sa.
They say the team no can sit in the pania kasa mo dan.
Sorry.
I don't know how mind
but yes what bo free kick na na vi mu ba but that be say cuz again we have phone and the super free kick na fa but the super I say ya na be e ka kiti that's what I'm going to radio until the City na say ko na ma koto nya win ba nya say da koto ko ya draw kwano wa bossa Asante Gold I say 4 goals against Elimina Sharks. Wow.
I Carolina United to say 2 against King Faisal. And I face so
Alaji no. But na send them on time kasa.
No ma fefe why you man.
Yeah, say mo.
My city mo dem man nkola ni bi money bi. Yeah. And also ko for Brofo say they have to focus for Broni. No the team ni mama.
Obroni mama say si for mo aye hu de obeka obroni. Yo, yeah try. Yeah, try mo.
But America one for mo ya you my dad.
David da.
What for question
it is because of our India. No. Abrofo I want to dia bodamfo no naked. And hands wa show dem. I dey dia bodamfo ni yom na no show dem.
Hello so.
Yeah. Abroje bodamfo pa no aboja.
Omo ye balu so say na wo kan. Yeah, omo na ye balu.
Because of bini coach nyo. Ma boya be san has 7. It allow you to go Broni. Abusua draws there or Shema Kopen and be ma share 1. Dallas 1, Bechem United 2 and a half of 3.
Okay.
FC nil.
How many times now person can house dey?
Hey, kwaku. Abuboni na me mama mbo. Every example for Jamba. Only to man nyum ni neno. Oba ya ka be bo hat of folk nyum no. Kwaku someone research be said the whole world. Man nyum ya the fire crowds of course.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, research.
You know, heart 11 no.
I know.
Baby.
Oh.
Ana be quiet and don't be silly na. Why? Be quiet and don't be silly no. Arose. Ena mo de. I'm saying arose.
Our roots are.
Ena mo de na arose.
Yeah, ka rose no fit it.
Anya ne besa.
Cause arose no ya 2 players ni nyawe. Players no to na rose.
Ba kotoko nyum na de chen we no.
Ani
oh yeah.
Kotoko ba ku bi ho.
Original one. Highlight. Baby. Fabulous. Fabulous.
Bravo.
Echi.
Ba so mo bravo bi so gigim bi no. Omo ba fu yo.
Oh.
I don't have it na to.
Oh, na say na me too na o ti kama no.
Come you use so much for them kwala no. I know you don't collect me too. Kwaku Saturday notice for and I guess that was Friday. I say NDC for your demonstration or Ashama.
I heard about it.
The Musa flies be so quite around occupied the Flagstaff House in Hey. Yeah,
omo mi ni Brunya no munya sade no omo mi ni Brunya
me hu nationwide mass walk bi so flyers be
it's their right if they want to demonstrate or do but omo nya no peacefully momo say niema momo obstruct traffic near there because see omo ye no mo ahihye ties near there when they leave omo me proper mess no my way no and I make no mo dey say kwan no oh unim say coat no so share do so no wa say ho no
yeah
enti no mo nyai sa no mo ye no mo be match peacefully to wherever you want to go police in their system no mo ye mo dey
like so I match ya like no wa bre no wa la be bre ana mo match ana na do bre ala like be so be who say
na bro to koyo what the country
omo nya match no court be mo court pre oh match de o match ya o be bre
oh one
sa bi ti na make no dey bing no that's what dey na antem pa who said last na me bisa say anye bia no when ni green for no e che sa anyum na because who say NDC for so to monum ni bisa o be quiet and don't be NDC
no
the same way now has no obu film no the NDC a show the same na what I say
only has when about first house about 1911 that NDC na be who owns the vote
na nyom na Ghana
eti mo na mo poni kakra ma NDC for anase say mo na mo poni kakra ma
was standing kakra do kasa padre to
came the carbon. Yes, the house of
election. You come to home once. Once I didn't know was about. I don't come on your good to say I'm trouble. Wait, now because Oko Bruni grew me. What is the
same thing? Obaso man.
Mini and kitty. I'm not very crowded. What about
I got to win.
Some of the opening quadrille.
Mudia message you out. Where finance Chris Wado. Please make sure Kusi alone is on face mask. Me, I'm just advising. It was short to cover. Oh yeah. Oh, and now you are crying. If Germany for us almost started hard lockdown. Germany.
I'm gonna lock it down, no.
But which I don't try my son is like for
any people would be a. It's any part of those. 300 million people. It's a vaccine about it.
Yes, man, I'm making. Before say a feature in Yabufno. The best. Among my demonstration, among my Bibiana Boko. Mama now, Oman 9 now, Ghana.
Remember me.
Remember my children.
Open your billboard.
For Mano,
NDC.
Kwame, which now? No, Mammy, no, what's wrong?
Burning the ties. Remember me.
Daddy, remember my children.
My education
depends on your vote.
I'm saying no more money we use.
Okay. Yes, he has winning and you more 10 points.
10 points, I say. How?
So share 3.
Oh, Jai. Your share 1 and your share 3. Only 3 points. Ah, yeah, 3 points.
Thank you very much.
Oh, Master Jai. You level there. It's me head count near there. And it's me there.
Win way a more the train there. But on the first win, I want to let me say.
You started at the Yafina to
win. Hey, I go for Gamaliza. Everybody about it.
Yes, I got my own in bye.
Hey, what the fan say a Fabio Gamma Cradi will be say a lot any no I bet you grow mama lockdown actually. If you see a mobile question,
football.
I don't know anything about football. That's I'm not.
MG, we cannot go to the bro for an
but Fabio Nidia, I'm going to on player. On your player, and dear Fabio Nidia.
I see no more you. I feel no catcher. We will introduce Fabio.
Namuno, Muko,
oh, you don't have the phone. Was it Yakofano Blicuma? A Messi, yeah, was all about saying. Messi, not to say. Not to say, German for saying no, the player. Said why I lose the player.
Oh, yes, so sunning around.
Not to say.
Or the board display this car upon the theatre. Turn the football there. But I don't money will be seen there. Up to now, October. October, and go away. 100% Ronaldo. I don't know.
Yes, I did.
Just a what's up?
And they're true.
Winning so was some
players. I'm registered on Mucho. But when
we did do, I got my idea. We who did do.
Another now, also obedience.
Yanni has to folk or
sir.
Akwani mwashino. Who said your car, sir? Said your car, sir. How to be Akwani mwashino?
What the price? Then you are only a channel. Missing. What the noise we made about this guy? The whole Ghana. Brazil in the Babylon or no, imagine a camera down.
Yeah,
still since October.
Why is it a guy and you camera and you feel so?
that money mo bi ni ehwe omni so be
pate ko Arsenal oni mbonti da bia obo
the following 2 weeks no nyabo
da bia obo
ene o we kuku na ne na ye
we pray on
na we money mo no pray mo da mo money mo keke no pray
e money mo pray me say ne twa has
onya prayer
oya player any thing you grab as a family
so you busy show
la garo popo the family
that's a ready
kwa kuti we me de nyame asema aso supporters na why na nkopon mo na nkoso say ya 3-3 sa 3-2 sa league we aso force ye beji
still
yeah league we ya o
do so beji ni etwa mu
eno de say ye nyamo ba ko no kasa has be ye no
eno say eno one ye to aso
na no kra no na me sure say
onyi so fu ni ni o
say mo da say table mo da say
una
abubo matches
me ba o
me problem say south of one so I say come back na problem the politics o ka say be ko green o na blue for ya fei ti say no na ya ma ya me sisi
Abite America di kwa kila we na bi ojina wo.
Ya so Donald Trump.
Trump na
na say Trump me win yo.
Obawini.
Otimi win.
Obawini
da be.
Otimi win ba.
Obi obekasa bia no. Sa ni pa ko no. Obetimi adane nsuo wan sisia.
How is that possible?
Any possible
from America buy.
O me say Otimi win.
Any possible.
Say America cho.
O pa yen ko be.
Obeni enkan sa
kwa. Na say ko ba musa. Coach be kwa say throw away grandpa.
America no system no e yejuba. And so no say ya wiem na or the court na court.
The evidence way.
Na say wa ma so many evidence.
I know evidence in ya
go kan Georgia. And I know you no kan Georgia.
So mo kan ya go see.
Enti
ba say Georgia de no anko nvi
okay, ba say ya kan.
Ni nyina the west here tam.
Okwada states na court ni rule.
Ne to oba sa wia no assemble ranka man so eyesa konkon ne mu ankokon ne mu.
Enti min na nda. Obi aja tu za ba the president. We are den. Usupo. Be so be say usupo. Ya fama. Akwasa hadie ya. Aha. E ka say. Aha. Hadie.
Wasuna na betra san kan.
Beka we was beka me say hadie. Aha sem la beka.
Yi anko ma o.
Sandra consider na sabo program ya so get mic pe. Oto do na say oh onyawo ya bi too fast so ake. O ma mi sire ya.
Oni ampon.
Ozi o too fast so ake be dey.
Onu ampon. He say Nicolas o mania chop.
Oli se beti ba to afa so na.
Even as at now no say the situation it here no. Say etene kra na when who said that yi papa say akekoye straight through na ka ko grease na ko asure show go
say MPC lusu e be brain na lusu wait to aka ho ma lusu ye no lusu adam for say ma hu say
can you crowd
o ko banda boy me dey dey
passa
si ma can you crowd
na don pro let's we dey wa press obia
ashimo
muntu ni bum
video bi ba no pie fi dem mi so conference bi o say na on nan
papa no put up
man we man can you cry
Obeka badile ka say e mo to man na mo to man ni la je
banda boy Dabi ana bana man be say Dabi bana man diniti e be no say Dabi me bana man I was here
Makali ye kra ni la to bana pada be ni ya
I don't know
Teacher, my brother said,
Dabi, ono bi di kadi okada. Ene ye dede no. Ano se ka we are some silent. Wa pe o na buza la na su.
Obo buhi o.
Kola ba gura di o. Ade.
Ando wa ka ma yesi be nya kwa. Yesi be di o mo fro ka kra. Ka to ba di o yesi kan sa.
Oh no.
The capital so $100. Set $9
Yeah.
Me ja on sabe kan share. Why?
Nigeria dey say dollar odi dada.
Oh, Jama me.
Ni wa American.
Yeah, there in tria. Masa, what did you buy Fabra ni ja de oye no. Be jina ye.
Yeah, my name is my family no.
Atlanta, Georgia. Yeah. And I can 8 year old.
Yeah.
Ah, did that new.
I mean, me ko here.
Okay. Yeah.
Next year, Obama no.
Oh, next year there, some am come America pa dia. The America say, you kasa be. Ah, Ghana Music Awards. USA, the man could be.
So next year, they won't on the Niger.
Oh, yeah, bye.
Yeah,
you bet you America, are you Texas in France? I'm going to America. I'm going to airport. Then the America for the buy. Who be a PO in me? I'm saying America. I'm going to be a PO. I'm going to some say. I'm going to say, I'm saying US now. I'm going to Obi aba no be ha kimse on na make no no. Hada na manya corona dey binya. Kwa ga corona no de ba stress na no tin. Mo ba ne mam kontomre ni ade na kofom. Ba wonya bura buru bi. Kaka na aka o video no na enwa wo.
E be wo shut it down. Yeah.
Ah, okay. Esa ye no mo ye na come up.
Oh, ye no mo ye jari mo ba ba na ye nice.
Jari bye.
Say me monitor ma na awie ya na me di nkomo bi na obi no say na Abeku Santana papa yi no wan ko bi na mzo na me gina mu fitia no pa me kra na me wo first o say na say mo so mo post pictures bebre no na mzo da bi me ko ba bi ya na me wo kona na o mo twa pictures na me hwe mo but o sa na me hwe say na mzo na me official yi me na me monitor bi bi ase
ya say that's part mo ka won ba o hwe mo na uko spark o kara na ya wa dwe
da bi na nim anopa no pa no abra ye fi Santana mu fi no na senezi o se yentwe ne ato aso fi wo ne akọ asori dem na Father Dixon Kotna ne kan mu na masa boom wa para so de wo mu ni kan eti me na me last because we no mu se de o me kọ no me kan ni ntimi sa andiru abi mo mu na kọ na me di akire bokọ me pe me ho asem bia
ayo let's see ya
masa about it down ja
you camera mu video
na fe be rana wo de na chem video ne finkiti wo say na we so the coin ti wa nam so de munika na me di akire kakra monitor je yo mate
police ni mame
tira se dey say bibia ye you antino anumre me be kasa na ahwe
ehia
say America for mo so problem pa
e dey problem no
oh e do so pa
police onuma e dey e mo jani police for ala
police ni no ye different police ni na
police ni
I don't need in-bush
mister okay
kwa na magalo
oh so mami
kwa ma na mfo nyina bi ya say radio presenters am wo problem
ampa oh yeah ampa me ma wo ni oh yeah more less me bro
kwa tu
radio yesu
PK yeah
because so
yeah PK the boy ni se soja no o ye training but still kakra wo yeah obehia
ba kwa ku da bia mu se be ma wa yemre e ma ni bitimi nyamre wo
david
oh amutimi yemre
si o ba wa yemre da
sa sa me dia me ba ba ko penalty no
why e be out there sorry Abusua ye de musi ayo fast that kese my proud sponsors. Na ye koye anim ye da Mastercard ase say omo etai echi my team de dwumedi ebro memory fi say Mastercard and they the official sponsor of the UEFA Champions League. Na o say Mastercard no safe secured bebia team di buru dwumedi bia utimi di na aye kama pa tiana wahwe na wonso wapibi ekira kwan Nokia nso ye do mo ase ene Nokia 1.3 Nokia 2.4 you only 32 gig one of Nokia 2.4 you only 64 gig so available na ni nyina no nim say ya mano features bi na ebo ma stand out very unique ya mano more megapixels say be abinya top class quality beautiful pictures and videos and long lasting batteries na YouTube Facebook Instagram Twitter any other apps no perfectly well on second there when be jump team patch of when it phone shop be mu okwa so pair the new Nokia Android smartphones if you call ayo doko traffic lights Georgia phones and messages of being best sort out come up Nokia it just keep getting better as they do yemfa ema Airtel Tigo go say and can choose a free morning offer no go switch them from 5 a.m. to 10 a.m. for 6 solid months obekasa free on Airtel Tigo. Ninyina so be mouse aka new Airtel Tigo sem no make transaction with Airtel Tigo money. Now so wait me enjoy sa special offer ina bibia akoyi e dia amount. Yes, Airtel Tigo or say life is simple. Go TV say big things are great. It means settle for small things. Choose Go TV say be able to enjoy the best football leagues on Super Sports. Now face you know Mount Sankan here Go TV decoder full set for only 109 Ghana cedis. Will be me upgraded to Go TV Max. Now when you're the best in sports, best in entertainment, best in football, in fact, best in everything. What I say, Serie A in La Liga ni they can win live. Ye dragum de ma ni what I say. Now ni nyina mu no say and they so to me enjoy action in on your own TV. Ya fi na akopabo baby akotena bonten yare abatrefi na enjoy action in on your Go TV. Wait me I connect to our brother using my Go TV app, pay by the point or any mobile money agent near you. Go TV, live it, love it. As they do on come Papa's Pizza the dead pizza kama pa unye bia na chese bebia ewu edi amount. Ni nyina say nay enjoy up to 50% discount from Monday through to Thursday. What you say? Tiborum, any of our branches, we know all varieties, all sizes. Not just say why enjoy a 50% discount from Monday through to Thursday. Na bibi answer me akoyi edi amount. Na and one so be free 0241 150 555 0241 150 555. Now please you order. You best sort you out. Come on. Na ni nyina mu no say we no emu da ho fala Papa's Pizza dey woni tuadada o say taste it, love it. Terms and conditions apply. Finally, as they do yemfama Aztec Properties abusuya enei de obo amwatimi anya asase ato e wa bra wo mbre ho kra no ene Aztec Properties sase no de bebre ene uba eye Esutwai Junction yetwitwa sase no gua de more man for 6,000 na waje plot of land na ko enim ye on sase bi nso dodowa afi bi wo ye Shy Hills Dowim ebi wo Dowenya ebi nso wa afenya ayikuma Chukoli airport mpotem wono ho nna so yatete sase bi gua ye ton de more man for oba na beto ye sase bi a obetimi enya 200 blocks free and afi 10 bags of cement and okra encourage you ema ultimate share project na sentem Aztec Properties ewo afie a yesisi ndada adan a yeton and ebi nso ho a ye de rent and e wo ka bi ho na pese oba exchange no for asase a akonya no ho betimi de ka na ba na amo asase simple cry be hu ye chia kwan ewo dodowa ye ne dodowa fire service station no ene di nhwanim free Aztec Properties on 0240 933 748 and at phase 0266 101 406. Phone numbers NBM 0240 933 748 and at 0266 101 406. Aztec Properties, yeah, and Sasira, Sasini nyina, ye chen enewo, tuba, no abejo de boko, oni obi eni asem, maso twe bia so, eni ho, ehwo ehhye enono. Na memfa eye enchia sonkon Emma me Helena Kutin aka Helen K Sabride akwako piem ewo United States of America etimomi edenyamia so do akudu asundwem tino bibie ni ebekasa neja me usual ya oba de be na chese bibia be fine me chia busuafo nyina so abuso etwa hotel na e ba ye ka de aka ngum ugusu tie 106.3 Adom FM.
Start of a football match. It's the start of friendships. It's you screaming your lungs out. It's the joy of your team's equalizer. The exhilaration of scoring the winning goal. It's a sigh of relief after hearing the final whistle. It's celebrating your team being crowned champions. That first whistle is just the start of something priceless, where you don't just watch it, you live it. MasterCard, official sponsor of UEFA Champions League.
Charlie, Mawunya hey, no football appointment too. Hey, oh no, Okosha football. Charlie, football season na shasiu. Into me say, no English Premier League, La Liga, any Italian Serie A show weekend beer. Say, go team is why they're rough. Say, leagues when you go team so. Oh, be break kwa. Ube team ya Dutch Eredivisie, MLS, EFL, and the Scottish Premiership ni na ewe ESPN so. Go TV there, football power so live. Go TV nti weekend there. Padi omo we nyo sika so faso ankasa. Football season for free. Nyo sika so faso. You will Go TV decoder, Go tenor, 1 month subscription pay so and your 109 Ghana cedis pay. Download my Go TV app, not tia also. And now pay by the point. And now mobile money agent to be our ben one chow hutum. Now who's what to me share football papa. And we in super sports channels are yes shemukenano so. And she share kakao home. Go TV, live it, love it.
Nokia smartphones abano and no one be can wasem. Nokia new Android smartphones you want more megapixels. Nisenti e mau kwa maucha pictures ni videos pop baby. Nokia new Android smartphones you fast. So what they call internet content porno so Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, umia swat. Let them Nokia batteries the area signal di one dance here. Or new Android phones you charge ya a jinaswa they say jinaso. Also when you bet new Nokia Android smartphones you will Nokia 7.2, Nokia 2.3, Nokia C1, and now Nokia C2, and now Nokia new slick phones or the Abanibi. Call phone shop be a bear one. Now you will Nokia phones is here. Nokia, it keeps getting better.
Majami mo already.
Jai we chia wa so fu bia wonfa enkenya ni sasase baako ya to ama ni pada brode wo ho ya sama langard fu ebrim wagusi na Ostek property for na me kase ko hu omo no ekwesi sei
na say me kuta 6000 Ghana cedis pa metumi anya sase wo Ostek properties
ania se me ka kire ko me sase no so di yi ankasa jojo wa asabi Shy Hills afie ayikuma Suchari Junction any chopoli airport nyina omo wan sase wo
me kumi kura 200 blocks and 10 cement bags it was assassin one almost send the people so free ho
asa no dey bonus wo car na so pese wo so apedi just asimpa e ya ma dodo say dan na wo patro na wo pa high for Ostek properties
one more office no do one more fair service no opposite 0240 933 740 and 0266 101 406 Ostek properties omo yesasura kasa.
Everyone no pano do die. Na Ghana for be 5 million na ate what to say. Be emprenu. What mu. Hajia watch line mu.
Have you heard? Say Airtel Tigo calls and you free. Sa busuminsia. Ayo, sa pepe. Say wuto Airtel Tigo sim. Now the Airtel Tigo money no did you me bia anopa calls and you free. Sa busuminsia. Spread the news here. Now we need ya. Konkonsano gele. Kojo Airtel Tigo sim and ya.
Airtel Tigo. Life is simple.
Take 500 ml bottle for front dear. Yate plastic no so 7%. Eye eco-friendly. Insuno dear. Eye Voltic in super pan na winim da danuao. No Voltic abuju super panu bienne. Twist bottle no. Na recycle. Voltic naturally. Enkatoi. FDA ashishemu ajiatum.
Ofia Kwanso with me and Jerry Justice on Atom 106.3 FM.
This is Adom FM and this is Jerry Justice.
If you know what I know today,
The joy in my pants is
with the man, Jerry Justice on Adum 106.3
He picks me up and leads me on my way. So I sing hallelujah. Give glory, glory, go better. So I sing hallelujah. We give the glory, go better. I woke up today, beautiful morning. You took from your face. I say, my brother, don't worry. If you wake up today, another day, another blessing. Make you know from your face. I say, my sister, don't worry. So I sing hallelujah. Give glory, glory, go better. So I sing hallelujah. We give the glory, go better.
Me home on Jimmy Juice. I thought for the wine. Oh, young boy, he blues. Oh, the menu carry. That be the truth. Is to come with them. Oh, to me, but me home, I'm choose. Hey, but I'm a bread. Sugar, my cocoa. Hey, have me life. Hey, have me loco. Today, I'm the star. I'm a shammy photo. Oh, me team, I'm a life. Your movies, I'm loco. Oh, me team, I'm a. Only you, I go first. Give me life, give me grace.
with the man, Jerry Justice on Adum 106.3 FM.
See, don't tell where we get shy, don't tell where we get shy. See, don't tell where we get mania, don't tell where we get mania. Since 1960, yeah. Don't tell where we get shy. Since 1930, no. Don't tell where we get shy.
This is Adum FM and this is Jerry Justice.
On your body, baby girl, Pulani, you the wine follow me. So tell me she meta Kulani, but the bar show they do, you they do Kulani. I say water, dirty pussy carter. Baby girl, you know, say that's a body bad. If you want to do, then we got the bad. Baby girl, you know, you can never be bad. We they do skeleton. You they do your body skeleton. You they do baby, don't you know you're killing me, oh baby. Oh no, baby, don't you know you're killing me, oh baby. See, don't tell where we get shy, don't tell where we get shy. See, don't tell where we get mania, don't tell where we get mania. Since 1960, yeah. Don't tell where we get shy. Since 1930, no. Don't tell where we get shy.
With the man, Jerry Justice on Adum 106.3 FM.
And the area home, the love I have no be joke, my baby. Baby, in Tipura, me chain, my bow, come on, be come on, you learn it. For I'm so me chain, my dog, baby. Sure, I won't be another dance. I will love you very well.
What I would do to me, Yano. Would him say that you crowd a banner? And you will hear my brother feel what Ghana cause. What's the one pill? When you're for fraud. Since you have a basso man, when you're my whole door. First, and I want to swore. I saw corner for brother, bet you will pour. Buy him my paper with him when he's soon. I met you. Could you not throw that won't to met you? And I'm the summer, they can't pick up a real. Forget the body, they be no feel. They drew on and I'm a foul dada. But show what I want to be going with the man, the gaba. May I want in Tino, and I get my casa. Which you mammy, I made Jimmy Ataba, or Donna Chemekwa.
Send your broken hat as I walk on my corner from me all day. And the area home, the love I have no be joke, my
I'm in China, I'm in power, come on the show. When you be a wire, we piano, made in your mistro. You are free, piano, made it with the puppet bro. Yeah, we live in the catch him in a metro. I come and say, I'm a water to a dream. Yeah, we would tell I would get you when you're shooting. Brother, let me tell you, so this time it's my home and
my God be my provider. He be my protector. Somebody go higher. With the meal, my God be my provider. He be my protector. Somebody go higher. Oh yeah, me know what you're for money. I don't do them anything. People say me another day. If you wish me well, I wish you well. Me know what you're for money. I don't do them anything. People say me another day. If you wish me well, I wish you well. Eva, Eva, I see the fight for the paper. With the me and Jeff Justice on a 106.5 I don't do them anything. People say me another day. If you wish me well, I wish you well. Baby, now I'm your body. I don't do them anything. People say me another day. If you wish me well, I wish you well.
But you make it come and once time I see Baby call with a stolen mic. We see my phone coming here to see and I told him pie. We bang your machine and we destroy the soul inside. My baby, I'm on a monkai.
Shame on you, I pray my God go favor you. What we they do be deja vu. Omunya and kefie dedu. Shame on you, I pray my God go favor you. What we they do be deja vu. Omunya and kefie dedu. Then you me keep mommy, keep mommy, keep mommy, keep mommy, keep mommy, keep mama. Then you me keep mama, keep mama. Then you me keep mommy, keep mama.
Baby, you got to know. Say I've been waiting forever for you. Oh na na na. Baby, you got to know. Say you be everything that I've been waiting for. Oh no na na na. When I be doing it, I will yo. When I be home, I'm in Jimmy. Oh no, ya come in. When I be doing it, I will yo. When I be home, I'm in Jimmy. Oh no, ya come in. I get better than you, yeah. Men, you need your daughter. I can see powerful. I can see powerful. I get better than you, yeah. You the fella. Men, you need your daughter. I was saying. I can see powerful. I can see powerful.
Forget the cast, I know. I'm with your someone, no. Although you will be so me move a film, no. Obi pay you don't even answer me, man, no. See the fella. Watch your man, so I don't mean to man, no.
And that's MDK. Medical. El Chermano. And this one here features King Promise. They call it Odo. O-D-O. Odo. Yes, oh. Oh, Medica. Jerry, please. A happy birthday, Uncle Emma, Senior Chief Officer, Christiana Owusu, aka Christy Love of Ghana Prison Service, Catering Department Headquarters. With here a Japuku and Chain.
Pegam, Ribiscuit, Jabam, Pekka, Pekka, Peshugan, Jitax, Yadam
congratulations going out to Naomi Apia, now Mrs. Obri of Asinfosu, and this one's coming from Nana and Kwantabisa. The message here says, may you find favor in the sight of our Lord And may He bless your marriage with boundless joy, fruitfulness, and favor. Okay, so on the I don't know, you know, you're far you can come from there and call Eunice, Ellen, hey, Kwasin. Wow, I was watching you live from the UK. All right, good to know you are in tune. Especially via TuneIn Radio, no. It is open online. Call adumonline.com and I'm at joonline.com. We be multimedia stations now. Now click on the one you want to listen. What I say? Better yet, ubetimi download the Adum Online app no. And they not just all them download the Adum Online app now. In case you be a message show no crana went to me and tia, you can go back and search for the particular day. Any program kona went to me cry and you know now I sign at your own time, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. It make sure so bed download the Adum Online app no. Let's spread news, you know. On one person mutie so muntimi on TuneIn, you know. We are no more on that app. Why? That's what it is. And Nana Ekuya Boate, I say hello, and you also hello. Grace Eresi, you know. And so I say good evening, Brad. Watching you from Mission in the UK with Amma Jeffria, and we love you, pa. I love you guys back, yeah. Safwa Rosemond, I see today's programs here, Charlie Dopu, Masriasu, and Kwame Ketri, and also the Syrian Elizabeth Kellis, and also say Ghana, Ayed Dekeke, Safwa Rosemond, say Alacha. I think that was the time now I can't cast him once. Anyway, so my girl is in the building, y'all. I'm talking about Sister Sandy B. Yeah, it's what now see the natural said definitely. Yeah, the fella and it was so the amount here on Adum 106.3 FM. Sister Sandy be a guy. Yeah, why I feel. Why I feel. So, a dumper.
Wednesday, my order.
Wednesday we are. Oh, so it's on my day, y'all. It's on my day, y'all.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So it's a crack day.
Yeah.
It's no way, no. Oh, my man, good evening. You to me, yeah. We got my birthday.
Sister Sandy be a guy.
My birthday, cry. My bride, you
That's true.
Wednesday.
That's true. Wednesday, right. Be a bear fine.
In case, Kwabna Jollof.
Kwabna Jollof, I saw to me action. Maxwell, I saw to me action. Giovanni, I saw to me action. Why, action? I'll be judge. I'll be here. Papa, California. Georgia,
Atlanta.
Moses. Muna, so to me action.
Catch Andrew, Nick, catch George. Mammy Gold. Joanna, Auntie Juan, Mammy Chachi, I'm going to make Chamin. I am our Dana. Mayor Dane, Fenefes and Penny 4 Fina, Betcha, and Amaju. May and I buy me, Chamaba Regina, your Chimmy Johnson, my award.
Sir.
And I'm sending my minja on that minji. Omuche Ghana. Weapon TV swear you know. Only I hear show pan with social media.
Oh, okay.
And Mr. Metro must say, mean, chia blogger be a card that said Shadama men trend, the mean so that by Jimmy. Minimie.
Yeah.
I didn't know. Me more than what I say. Me more than what I didn't know. My phone show me say, Jessica post me.
Na intiminka.
Na heaven crying up for me. I try reman here. Now I don't FM ya talk DM the chain I mean make you say Gina post me. It's any post me.
Post me.
yada masi bebre nyame enhia mu nyina obi o support e bia no ame nyame na ya me hwe me homo na ya mo behwe nti nyame enhia ma de akina akokọ obon a na sister Sandy na asamba ko bi na eha me wunu aba nkofo ya na o ma frɛ na o mo confirm me age sister na ya mpaso o 30 BB sister na me say aba de na me age die entwa wo dan build da nti wo de ye den
just on pese
me so mo hu se me nya akwala asa mo hu no ebi mu ka me akwala na me sam chom se me nya akwala
Sandra wani Sandy wani Sandy wani
nti me nya akwala me so mo anti gift no cha me diapers menye na Bajeri we na Enra Raymond
Mudewe
Echari ya Nshoma. Mami mwasi mami nchem na etie fonti ase abusia ya sha Nshoma season 3. Ase okọ Instagram Adum TV GH eda ho. Akola bi wo me friend no Raymond aka
Smallish bi.
Akwani timi se wa he Nigerian films afani trim. Jerry Bubo adina most perform na akwana ja ne ho.
Yes, enra na yes ye hwe best performer.
Oyam show.
Charlie
me usa o kase enye se bi.
You am kase me enye o fa sa bi.
Ana pebo TV asro pa. Na me say challenge.
Because you see this the reason why me yam shame me say season 2 no finals no. Queen Miracle.
Ahwana we so free o. The other Queen Miracle buy. Trainer no na di we buy.
Ene wa grooming o.
Ene me bisa ne say we grooming kwala ne say o mo hye den twan hwe ana. Na o sresre.
Charlie Obi a what winning ayi keke what winning best performer. Charlie.
Na no hutino. On the enjoy for the person o mo besra. Ono so anya award. Joy News.
Hello.
Becky. Becky na Aida Becky or Joy News. He with bags. So bona kasa ho de oba baby a na why.
To boss me ma akwa ba akwa na kasa.
Oh, chiame.
I don't know to say.
Kasa wo dwumadi.
What to say?
Show me who you
Akwaba.
Saka ma apie.
Me chia Papa Bills me ba no anu po no se me.
Akwaba so ho ye. Okay, now also then eko. Then now so nya no.
Oh, minya
TV na ye fe. Oh, minya. Enjoy this so mobile local no my.
No my basa.
Na so my. Ba ye so ye ba Joy News a ye Felix Benz.
Okay, o de na ye.
Oh, the meme de na TV personality.
Okay.
Sandra Akapo,
oh, okay.
Producer of the year.
Tisiana Ellis, the CEO, came to present to us.
Okay.
You know, the TV personality of the year, and we're very, much grateful. Oh, main country.
I don't know where you mean.
Yeda obi biase
fuchi na yire
ne na ya ba no sister Sandy why boy yablo
yablo
bibia na na
o say
onye show
akoko nto obedwam sa o
me bra no onye omo
no beki na so no anu oni mi dada na wa sheda katakata nani no esa no
abusianka mo ma sister no to no tanka egu na chine ne hips ma no
beki oniema beki so you know na me for no mu say o oniema twa 360 kakra na
abusia mo hwe sister
twa 360 kakra na mu say
ne no fo mo ke da no wachi mo ke wachi ne hwe say Joy News
bags
enti ba Joy ne
bags say okay dey high kwan o dey be say first na me na una say dey say na ye kote makakra na de o say
say me twe fitam
ye pon no be
ye want to fitam akwa
ko so wetu ya ye so na ko bisa asem ba so na
all right so ya da mase na ye da omanfo no so ase for their support near there so omunyi wa ni o yeah
wotwa hwe no
Raymond omunyai sa de no me because she said the Queen Miracle to say we collapse on stage me yamu shame as the host afi prekopenti am na minim say we are live on TV too so me person me save situation afi me kwhwa akwa obi na ni wo hwe I say ohwe say be na say hey sorry na ja ade awo ye na afi da akwa na so e gina we
akwa na oja na chi ana oterhi ana
no so sorry
ana tu be gina ho sorry gina ho no
oterhi trans bram on the stage na say hey What happened to Raymond?
Oh, but me was so one for. I mean, I pay both TV now.
And I'm so way. I mean, yeah, dear, be more for you, much
father. Ain't no dance show man or your papa. I mean, sorry, so I'm sure, but they shouldn't do that. Most of Nigerian film. Nigerian film. What I say?
And you're like,
it's a brand Jerry Ashen show man.
Yeah, so every Sunday be at 5 p.m. sharp. Bet me I join in and do TV so now. Now this trip on Colania the pa and no more to oh my goodness.
You can say lyrics no
Charlie, also I am pastor sign no mean to me to. Oh, lyrics no. I know no mean to me to. No credit.
Ade akwabua de be 2 hours be
na obako bi beto kechemo nwom ya na no na wote ya opese osesa title no good mood no enum e ba 3 weeks gram ayo
ana akra ne beto
no Collins. Oh no, he was not well. Now he was vomiting and things like person or be performing and come uncle. Or say no, Debbie. Or performing and so back say. Oh, Charlie Colano. We be saying when you were tyrant.
Aye. Now was for train. Girls go sit you.
It's nyame aduma Sunday.
Why? Na on person who buy Jerry no dey at home no. Mama ngusu anyu gususu nipa so brema wo dey na mada. Tuti say my obi aju musika na e me.
Bye bye.
We amenko.
Onko atra we.
You say onye je me so kra o.
Oh, Sunday. Oh, Wednesday is going to be your birthday. And I'm so glad that your birthday is going to fall on my day, yo. So
I love you, bro.
Yeah, we'll do things, yeah. Alright, so that was Sister Sandy be a guy, I know the fella bread. Yeah, first was them Vodafone Adarman or so I say me tea fella. Now any Vodafone say can't show say we use Vodafone cash this and this come obia Vodafone cash so patch a free and Josh. We use Vodafone cash now this and this come obi or any other network be so and also a free and Josh. It's why do you waste money while brow charges be brave or other networks no so brow buy Vodafone cash so switch to Vodafone cash now and send that money, you know what I'm saying? Just dial star 110 hash to send cash for free. Ready?
To say that the house still give Richie. He boss a small boy Yaro win. So right into his start sing. Talk on the top artist of the year. TikTok Bravo artist of the year. On the night time my boys to the show, but at some school they be got the World Bank do. Fella. ASEM with the fella.
Marriage or what?
This be the 2010 fella.
Okay, so I'll say let me invite you to witness the holy matrimony of my wife to be on the 9th of January. And I said 2021 or Accra Newtown CAC. That is Samson Sian O and Ruth Papu until 11 a.m. on the 9th of January 2021. Okay. Until you do yeah, all right, so I'm following proper his name is Akwabwa and he calls this one